So with an efficacy rate of 90%, but it's not going to come out until the first quarter of next year, I could actually see a little bit more of a slowdown very, very near term and a need for that stimulus. Because if you know you're going to be able to get a vaccine early next year that's going to work, why would you take the risk now and go out and be aggressive like everything's okay, especially with the second wave now upon us? So I think the setup with, taking the tail risk, the extreme tail risk out of the political spectrum, and now you actually have a very clear light at the end of the tunnel. That really suggests that there's going to be more meaningful rotation. I think the important point to take away from today is the equal weighted S&P is still up 5%. So throughout this entire period, the question is, what market are you looking at? The mega cap dominated stocks or the broad market? And today's a pretty good day for the broad market because of those pro-economy issues.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.